welcome to my first airsoft video I'm making. This is my loadout. This is my core camouflage uniform. Yeah, this cool backpack too. So for this episode, I'm gonna review my first airsoft gun. Check this out. Yeah. It's an M4, see right here. Upside down. So I bought two mags for it. This one and this one. So we're gonna go shoot it real quick. Alright. Now let's go outside and shoot this cool baby. Alright guys, so now we're outside and we're gonna shoot at those targets over there. Yo! Yep, those are the targets. So I'm gonna shoot my airsoft gun right here. Now let's shoot some targets. Alright. Alright, now let's go check them out. I shot Hillary right here.
You got shot! This one!
Yeah, I got a shot at Hillary and Obama. Oh, bummer. His entire face is torn off from yesterday.
He was there, poop.
Well, alright guys, so that's gonna be our video. So this is my first airsoft gun I've ever done in airsoft history. Hope you guys enjoy this video and see you in the next video. Bye.